PJ here with Mark.It Graphics to show you this Ford Transit that we did graphics on for a local company. As you can see down the side of the van, different kinds of methods here with vinyl with their logo and some of their text wording. We have cut vinyl to match all their other vehicles that we've done for them as far as the colors. On the side here up top, nicely cut to fit in these recessed panels are pictures they supplied to us that we printed on vinyl and laminated and then installed to fit there in those panels. As we move along to the back, we'll see again the cut aspect of vinyl here at the very bottom and the very top, again to match all their colors with their other vehicles. And here in the center on the glass is perforated material. So this is a perforation material that we can print on and then laminate. And what this allows them to do is advertise on the window, but also be able to see out. So not only get your advertisement, you're not blocking your driver from being able to see out the back as they drive and back around different places. Thanks for watching this video today. Please contact us for any kind of personal, business, or company needs that you may have for graphics.